I try to simplify my life wherever possible. And life can be pretty complicated on its own. My wardrobe is one thing I can make simple. Creating a capsule wardrobe that's timeless makes my life so much simpler and easier, saves me time, energy, and money. I've been using a capsule wardrobe for years, but recently I've refined my approach. Mindfully, I create a wardrobe plan and incorporate timeless pieces that look beautiful and relevant for years. This capsule wardrobe can supply me with a variety of outfits for any occasion. And I save money because I'm not continually replenishing clothes. Elegance is when the inside is as beautiful as the outside. Create your own style, letting your uniqueness shine. Any wardrobe only works if it reflects who you are and your personal style. It should reflect not only your lifestyle, but also work with your environment that you live in. A wardrobe with tropical dresses doesn't serve you if you live in the snowy mountains. Stick to the items that make you feel beautiful and comfortable. Whether you are more comfortable in jeans and tennies or a dress and heels, own it. When you love all of your clothes, you actually need fewer items because you'll always feel beautiful and confident in anything you choose to wear that day. The key to a minimalist wardrobe is to discard any items that you don't use. Eliminating anything that doesn't fit, doesn't work for your current environment or lifestyle, and the items that you simply don't wear. A good rule that I have is if I haven't worn something in a year, chances are likely I'm not going to wear it in the upcoming year. So it's something I can get rid of. Keeping only the clothes you love reduces clutter, making it easier for you to see what you own. In a world filled with trends, I prefer to remain classic. My wardrobe stands the test of time by sticking to classic pieces. I feel elegant and put together wearing clothes with simple, traditional lines. My shirts consist of button-downs, long-sleeved, both flowy styles for dressier occasions, and form-fitting for casual outfits. Simple sweaters, and a few t-shirts and tank tops. For bottoms, I have a variety of long leg and straight-legged pants, a long skirt for nicer occasions, and skirts for casual looks in warmer weather, plus one dress. Having a color scheme creates more options with fewer clothes. Having a similar color palette allows you to mix and match, giving you far more variety than if you had one standalone colors. I prefer neutral colors, but any color scheme you prefer gives you the same benefits. It takes the guesswork out of getting ready in the morning when all of your clothes match each other. This really simplifies your morning routine. Buy less, choose well, make it last. When building a capsule wardrobe, it's important to consider how versatile each item is. Just questioning how many ways you can wear one article of clothing. Many items can be layered so you can wear them in multiple seasons. A lightweight linen button-down shirt is perfect for summer worn on its own. Layered with a cotton sweater extends it into spring and fall, and layering a thick cashmere or wool sweater over top is a perfect option for winter. Patterns can limit the versatility of a closet. It's fine to have a few, but use them minimally. I like to keep most of my wardrobe in solid colors and just throw in a few patterns here and there to mix things up. Shoes are another place where versatility comes into play. Thinking of all the ways I can make a few shoes work is a little game I like to play. A pair of leather boots can triple for hiking boots, rain or cold weather boots. Your choice of shoes can also change the entire look of an outfit. Heels paired with jewelry turn a casual outfit into evening attire. A slip dress worn with sandals is perfect for a casual summer day, but changing sandals to heels and adding a wrap sweater plus jewelry, I'm ready for an evening at the ballet. Slow fashion is about asking why so that I can buy less. I mindfully only purchase new articles of clothing. I intentionally plan out my wardrobe and only buy items that I absolutely need to round out my capsule closet. Asking myself questions about why I'm buying something is helpful in preventing impulse shopping and over-consuming products that I don't need. This keeps my closet clutter-free and saves me money. Whatever your style is, make it your own. But by shopping intentionally, this will save you time, energy, and money. I really appreciate you listening and joining me today. Have a beautiful day, my friends.